the reason why I'm profitable is because I'm stay consistency to the business. So stay consistency, keep showing up every single day, you're going to make it. All right. And the reason why the winners they are few in this business is because many of them they give up. Once you give up, others they continue, you are failing. So guys, I'm going to show you how I was able to kill this market today. And I say, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like the video. And if you want to join the free Telegram group, the link is always on description below. And if you want to use the broker that I use, guys, the link is also on description below. So let's get to the video. Let's see how we're able to kill this market right here. Let me take my profit, guys. Let me take my profit for sure. I only gonna remain swinging EuroCAD because EuroCAD is still gonna move so much. It's still gonna move so much. So yeah, I'm done, guys. I'm done taking my TP. And I say I'm done taking my TP. But now I only gonna be swinging this one right here. And you can see, guys, this one right here, it's welcome back, guys. As you can see, guys, here AUDUSD, guys, we already hit the TP. And I say, so I think, guys, if you're using this strategy right here, man, you're printing more money every single time. And I say, if you're really following the rules for this strategy, I'm sure you are making something. As you can see here, guys, we're killing EuroCAD and then we're killing AUDUSD. And as you can see that we already hit the profit from AUDUSD. So now I think I'm just gonna take my profit, bro. I'm just gonna take my profit because what I see here, nah. What I see here, man, the market is oversold right now. It's overbought, because if you look at this, the market has been, going up so much. So anytime it's gonna clash, and as soon as the market crash, it's gonna hit me out with a small profit. So let me just take my profit manual, because yeah, that's the reason why I say I've been swinging this market, but I can see that now it's time to take the profit. I say, so as I said, guys, for this who's still asking how to use the strategy, I told you guys how to do the strategy. You always buy the currency as soon as the market reach this point here. You buy. This one right here is your first take profit, and you can see I already passed my first take profit here. This one right here was the second take profit, I say, but the second take profit, bro, seems like the market has been buying so much. But I'm just gonna take my profit, bro, for real. I'm just gonna take my profit for sure. And for this who still asking how to sell the currency, guys, you always sell it at this point here at 89.39 level. Then you can sell the currency all the way to this level here. So for this who always asking about the what is that? What is the question that I'm seeing on the comments? The zoom level, right? People used to be asking me like, oh, what is your zoom level, bro? The zoom level of this strategy right here, you always make sure you can see that there's no zoom level, right? I zoomed in like that. No zoom level. The zoom level, bro, is 0. Don't put any zoom level on the what you using this channel. This strategy. Sorry, when you using this strategy, don't use any zoom level. All you need is to make sure that, bro, the market, the chart, it's zoomed in like that. what I'm saying? So that the market might, show you that it has already reached these levels by itself, not you forcing to do like this, to zoom just the market to show that it's already reached the levels all around. It didn't reach the zoom levels. You the one you zoom out the screen so that it can reach the levels, which even if you took that trade and then lose it, you are the fault, you know what I'm saying, because the market didn't give you any signal. So what you need to do is zoom in like that, zoom out, zoom in like that, and I say the zoom level, bro, is 0, 0. All right. So the most important thing you need to respect, bro, respect to zoom the screen, and respect, you need to see this, you know what I'm saying. Let me show you. You need to see something like this. You see this here already. You see this already moving average here, bro. It's supposed to, to break the blue one by going up, and once break the blue one inside like this, let me show you. You see what happened here? The red line broke out the blue moving average, then you enter just like that. You see we got a red moving average and blue moving average. So the red one is supposed to break the blue one in order to enter, in order to enter. You see, every single time, bro, there are these moving averages, they reach this strong buy right here. You can see the market is popping up, you know what I'm saying, bro. It's very easy to use this strategy, very easy, you know what I'm saying. Reach strong buy is buying, strong sell is selling. So guys, if you want this strategy right here, I've been sharing the settings for the strategy, like most of the time I've been sharing these strategies. Check like 2 to 3 videos before this one, you will find this strategy right here. I already shared the whole setting. Or if you still want the settings, just send me the message on Telegram. Check the link below for my Telegram group. Check the link below on description and let me know, like, yo, please send me the settings for the strategy. Then I'll send you immediately the settings for the strategy, you know what I say. So guys, I'm gonna take my profit from this one because I see my profit is dropping. So let me take my profit, guys. Let me take my profit for sure. I only gonna remain swinging a euro CAD because a euro CAD is still gonna move so much. It's still gonna move so much. So yeah, I'm done, guys. I'm done taking my TP. And I said I'm done taking my TP. But now I only gonna be swinging this one right here, and you can see, guys, this one right here, it's popping crazy. As you can see, it's moving so crazy, guys, because this one was on a very beautiful target. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You see what you see, bro? You see it's dropping, and you can see, guys, I catch this trade as soon as the market was at this point right here. This is where I catch this trade, and I told my team, like, yo guys, we got a beautiful signal here, let's get in. And look at this now, it's hitting the profit. But at the same time, guys, if you look at the chart, you know what I say, this market right here, bro, is gonna drop all the way to this point over here. But what it's gonna do soon it's gonna give us some pullback, you know what I say. It's gonna give us some pullback like this, and then after that it's gonna drop like that. So guys, in this business, bro, what you need is to stay consistent, you know what I'm saying. You might lose today, but tomorrow, bro, you're gonna make it. And if you didn't make it tomorrow, bro, fix the mistake, come back after tomorrow, you're gonna make it for sure. The reason why you see winners, they are few, bro, in this business is because many of them, they give up. All right, as soon as you give up, others, they continue. You're gonna come back, find the ones you left in the business, they already succeed because they didn't give up, you know. I said they keep it on going, you know. I said they didn't, give up. So don't give up, bro. It doesn't matter how much you're losing, but listen, if you're losing a lot, control emotions, stop trading too much, and learn too much. Learn too much than you trade. You know what I'm saying? Learn more than you trade, then you're going to make it. You're losing, bro. Learn more than you trade. You know what I'm saying? And then you're going to make it. You're going to find out the key. So that's how it is, guys. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's how I was able to find this trade, and I hope you're making money too. If you got any question, man, leave the comment below. Let me know what you want, how can I help you, and I'll be able to answer you back. And if you need the strategy, send me the message on Telegram. Let me know, like, yo Juba, I wanna use that strategy, please send me the settings. I'll send you the settings straight away. And to join the free Telegram group too, you can check the link on the description below. Let's do this. Peace out.